Hi there, welcome back to NGSM Management. And today we want to talk about another interesting feature that we have available when you implement an infrastructure as a service in the way that we offer. As you can see, we have an option to create a backup of a virtual machine. And this can be a lifesaver in different type of situations. For example, maybe you have a problem with the operating system that is not working properly after an upgrade of the operating system, or maybe you have an issue with a data recovery. Somebody remove a data that you have over there, or maybe one of your users inadvertently access to a web page that they shouldn't and have infected that PC. So the idea is that we are able to create backups of those virtual machines, and then with just a couple of clicks, we are able to restore that failed PC to its current state or to the state that is operative once again. So we are going to do a quick demo about that. Give me just a second and let me close this and let me show you what we are talking about. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So imagine that while you are connecting to your virtual machine, this is a virtual machine that we got for this demo. So we are just going to log into that virtual machine. Once we log into that virtual machine, this is our desktop or our environment where we used to work. Well, we have our files, all our files or all our important data. Well, of course, we got our sessions related to Chrome and related to all the things that we have running in here. We can restore the pages or whatever you want. So we have different type of ways how we can preserve the data. One of them is using the restore option to be able to make backups of your files directly to another backup server. We can also use the recovery feature of the OS system. With this recovery feature, what allow us is to be able to restore the system back in time to a previous state where it was operating properly. For example, this is very useful when we have issues related to the operating system itself. For example, let's say the Windows has installed some updates and the system is not operating correctly. We are able to go back in time with a restoration point. And besides that, we have another nice feature that is very useful, especially when we are working with people that is not that tech savvy. Imagine that, well, you can see right now that we have our downloads, okay? As I was explaining at the beginning, maybe somebody deleted the files. Let's say that somebody came here and deleted the files that actually supposed not to be deleted. So these files supposed not to be deleted. But somebody came here, it's new in the business, doesn't know how it's handling the data of the users, and just start to delete files all over again. Or for example, let's say that somebody was clicking in a website and, well, accidentally got a virus or something like that, and, well, your data is compromised. Basically, you don't have anything right now. You can see that we don't have anything in the recycle bin, so we are screwed. All our data is gone. So what do you do now? Well, there is a problem. How to recover that data? How long it will take you to be able to get back that data that was very useful and important to you? Well, we just need to come back to our console and we just need to select our restore point, and we just need to restore our session. And as you can see, with this just a couple of clicks, we just need to wait until the system restored. This is just going to take maybe 1 minute or something like that, and then we are going to wait until our PC comes back, and it's going to be just 1 or 2 seconds more. So as you can see, we already received the screen for the welcome page. Basically, our session is still there. We are just going to log in here, and we are going to be able to access to our desktop again. Once we receive our desktop again, you can see that actually all our data was or it's still in there. So it doesn't matter that somebody came here and deleted our data has been restored. Of Of course, this will depend on the type of backups that we have and how often we take backups, but this is a great advantage to be able to recover data and to have your systems in good shape. Please contact us. This is our contact information, and we will be happy as well to be able to adapt our solution to your needs. We offer different type of solutions that can be adaptive depending on your small business.